Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are showing you guys the pocket knife. So this is a 3.6 blade stainless steel pocket knife. So this could be used with hunting and just ordinary stuff or collecting. So they give you a manual. They also supply you with a sharpening block. That way you can sharpen the knife. A nice carrying case that you can put around your belt. And this is it. Oh, wow. Wow, that is beautiful. Check out this knife. It's got a clip on it. That is a really nice knife. Check that out. Alright, let's go see the blade. Wow, look at that blade. That is a nice blade. And that's a pretty sharp blade. So as you can see, now you might see some little specks. That's just some oil on it. So that's going to be normal. You just want to wipe it off. But you can see the sharp teeth. You also have teeth up here that are not as sharp. You got the sharp blade right here. Look at that. Wow. That is a beautiful blade. Not to mention you also have a razor right in here. So that's good for cutting rope or whatever your heart desires. So right in there is the razor. Wow. Overall, I'm super impressed with this. I think you guys will be too. Check out the pattern. And when you are done, you just simply go right over here. So you press this to the left and it folds right back down. Highly recommend this, guys. I wonder how sharp it is out of the box. Well, I believe that's pretty sharp. Check out that clean cut. Oh my goodness. And that was without even using the sharpening block. This gets a 4.6 stars from me, and it's going right into our collection.